County DA's office has a shortage of prosecutors. More than 5,000 cases are now backlogged because of that. One of those cases is a child abuse case that took more than a decade to reach trial, and that shows exactly what's at stake. East Texas News Weekend's Melly Valencia spoke with the DA about what it will take to deliver justice faster.
Amy Wren is the district attorney for Angelina County. She was appointed by the governor in 2025.
Our job is to make sure justice is done. That can look different in different cases.
Prosecutors generally carry no more than 200 to 250 active cases per year. Right now, each of Wren's 5 prosecutors have 4 times that.
We have 5 prosecutors, that's 1,000 cases apiece. It generally is what we're carrying.
Wren says there is not one single cause for the backlog. COVID-19 made it worse, shutting down courts and halting case movement for months. She described the justice system as a 3-part cog: her office, the courts, and defense attorneys. All 3 have to work together to move cases forward.
But if the courts don't hold both prosecutors and defense attorneys to timelines and moving cases, then they sit, right?
In April, after a long delay, Wren prosecuted Andrew Jacob Short for continuous sexual abuse of multiple children. The case was first reported to the Angelina County Sheriff's Office in 2015.
Andrew Short, I tried him in April. That case was originally reported and indicted in 2015, and so it got tried in 2026.
On April 9th, a jury convicted Short and sentenced him to 110 years in prison. For the victims, the wait spanned more than a decade. Wren says cases like this are why the backlog must be addressed.
These backlogs hurt everybody, really, and honestly, cases don't get better. The older they get, they normally get worse.
Wren is now working to fill 3 open prosecutor positions and says 1 new hire starts this week. Melly Valencia, East Texas News Weekend.